The incredible health benefits of mangoes. Mangoes are a beloved tropical fruit enjoyed around the world. But did you know that they are also packed with impressive health benefits? 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Mangoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function and collagen production. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin K, and various B vitamins, as well as important minerals like copper, magnesium, and potassium. 2. Promote skin health. The antioxidants in mangoes, particularly carotenoids like beta-carotene, can help protect the skin from sun damage and improve skin elasticity. The vitamin C in mangoes also supports the production of collagen, which is crucial for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. 3. Support heart health. Mangoes contain compounds like mangiferin and gallotannins that have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. The fiber and potassium in mangoes also contribute to cardiovascular health. 4. Boost immunity. The high vitamin C content in mangoes makes them a powerful immune-boosting food, helping to protect the body against infections and illnesses. Mangoes also contain other antioxidants that can help strengthen the immune system. 5. Aid digestion. Mangoes are a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements. The enzymes in mangoes, such as amylase and protease, can also help break down food and ease digestion. Incorporating mangoes into your diet is a delicious way to improve your overall health and well-being. From skin health to immune function, this tropical fruit offers a wide range of benefits. So, the next time you're looking for a nutritious and flavorful addition to your meals, be sure to reach for a juicy, ripe mango. Subscribe for more.